Exploring Google Ads, high quality ads versus the low quality ads. The position of your ads on the Google search results page is usually appointed by the quality score. To improve your ad rank and your ad performance, it's important that you optimize your ads and your landing page. In this module, you will learn about what makes a high quality ad differ from a low quality one. A common question is how to improve your ad rank. This includes being able to define the quality score and to improve your expected click-through rate, or also known as the CTR. It also means you have to improve your ad relevance and the landing page experience. We will look into each of them separately, so let's go ahead and get started. What is a quality score? Quality score is basically the estimate of the quality of your ads, the quality of your keywords, and also of the landing pages. All of these are usually combined together to give you the quality score. Higher quality ads can lead to lower ad prices and also in better ad positions. Quality score is composed of expected click-through rate or CTR, ad relevance, and also the landing page experience. How can you find your quality score in your Google Ads? Your current quality scores can be found in the quality score status columns in the Google Ads keywords interface. In the keywords interface, you click on the columns and you will find the quality score box. Let me show you. When you are in Google Ads, you just click on search keywords in the keywords column, and then you go ahead and click on columns. And here when you scroll down, you will find quality scores. And then you just go ahead and click apply. Once you click apply, you will get all of the quality scores of your keywords right there. The three components of the quality scores. Expected click-through rates or CTRs predict whether your keywords are likely to lead to an ad click. You should be actively working on improving your CTR, which is often how users who see your ad will actually end up clicking on it. You need to be specific in your ad text to improve your CTR and hence improve your quality score. This can be done by including keywords in your ad text, especially in the headline section or the descriptions, to show people that your ad is directly relevant to that search term. The second component is to experiment with different call to actions. Whatever service that you offer, you should always include it in your ad text. Even texts or offers like free estimates or free shipping or a free return will greatly improve your quality score. And the third factor is to highlight unique and different benefit that separates you from the crowd. What makes you stand out from the rest? Think about what matters to the users. Either it is a return policy or your exceptional service. You should always mention that in your ad text so that it can also greatly improve your quality scores. There are times where you have improved your quality score, but your ad relevance is still not matching up. What do? Well, there are many ways to improve your ad relevance. You may want to add negative keywords. This prevents your ads from showing up to unwanted searches not related to your product or your service. This can also greatly impact and help your marketing budget. You should also include specific device targeting. Targeting to a specific device is very important. Some users search on the mobile while others search on the desktop, but those searches are different in different devices. So targeting them properly would be very beneficial for your ad relevance. Similarly, targeting location is also very important. Target the right region where your business is operating so that it can have the relevant languages and location for its ads. Target to the people that are searching in those locations, including the relevant search terms in your ad copy will also greatly increase your ad relevance. Including relevant keywords and also search terms into your ads will also greatly increase that. And diversifying your keyword match types will also increase a lot of traffic, especially into the larger groups. Now that you have improved your quality score and you have improved your ad relevance, the next thing you want to improve is your landing page experience. In this, you need to make sure the traffic is sent to the right landing pages. There are many times where the advertiser might be sending the ad to the wrong landing pages, so you need to be sure on that. The information in the ad text is also related to the user query and also the ad. If a search is for dumpster rentals, the landing page should feature dumpster rentals, not some junk cars or junkyards. Along with that, it is important to be consistent. Make sure the landing page continues the conversion set up by your ad and follows through the ads. The call to action setup that you have used in your headlines or descriptions should follow through. There are many times where this conversation is not kept track of. For example, an ad can mention 50% discount, but when a user clicks on it and goes to the landing page, there is no 50% to be found. This leads to a poor conversion. So we need to be mindful of the ad text and also the call to action that we use. The next stage is to keep your site transparent and trustworthy. Make it easy for the users to find your contact information and also state what your business does. If you request any personal information from the users, make it clear on what you are asking and using it for. One thing to greatly increase your landing page experience is to increase and work on your load speeds. Be clear and precise. The content that's visible and loads up fast usually does very well in Google Ads. And finally, rethink mobile. Make the landing page mobile friendly. Have easy navigation for the users when they are accessing your landing page through their mobile phones. If the landing page is mobile optimized, it can greatly improve your landing page experience and increase the ad conversions, and also be impactful in Google Ads. Here are some key takeaways from this section. Quality scores is the estimate of the quality of your keywords and landing pages. The three components of the quality scores are the expected click-through rate or CTR, the ad relevance, and the landing page experience. In the ways that you want to improve your ad quality, you want to focus on optimizing the three components of the quality score, which are keywords, ad relevance, and the landing page experience. Now, going ahead in the next section, we will look into what keywords are and what data research you need to do in order to get the proper keywords for your ads. So I'll see you in the next one.